Hello everyone, welcome to JJ Voice. This is day 6 of our series Learning English in 7 Days. Today we are going to practice real conversation that you can use in daily life, at home, outside, and with friends. Repeat after me to improve your spoken English. Let's begin. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Yes, I slept well. What will you like for breakfast? Anything is fine. Okay, I'll get it ready. Conversation 2 for asking for help. Let's start. Can you help me for a minute? Sure. What do you need? Please bring me some water. Okay, 1 minute. Conversation 3 Daily activities. I am cleaning the room. Do you need help? No, it's okay. I will finish it. Conversation 2 Outside shopping conversation. Excuse me, how much is this? It is 50 rupees. Can I get one more? Yes, sure. Thank you. Conversation 2 Asking for direction. Excuse me, where is the bus stop? Go straight and turn left. How far is it? Just 2 minutes. Okay, thank you so much. Conversation 3 Ordering food. I would like one coffee, please. Hot or cold? A hot, please. Anything else? No, that's all. Thank you. Conversation 3 Friends and social talk. What are you doing today? Nothing much. Why? Shall we go out? Yes, let's go. Are you okay? I am a little tired. Take some rest. Yes, I will. Thank you. You look great today. Thank you. Your smile is very nice. That's really sweet. Section 4 Polite expressions. Repeat slowly with me. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. That's very kind of you. I did not mean to do that. Could you speak slowly? I understand. I do not understand. Can you explain it again? That's a great idea. Let's do it. Section 5 Self Introduction Practice. Say this with me. Hello, my name is. I am from. I love learning English. I am practicing every day. I want to speak confidently. And I will improve.